Hello, dear. I want to talk to you today about some of the very fast growing diseases in Africa, particularly in Nigeria. I'm talking about cancers and diabetes. These are diseases that are growing so fast in Nigeria. And for this episode, I want to talk about breast cancer, particularly breast cancer, and what you can do if you happen to have this disease or you know somebody that does have it. What are the conventional treatments for breast cancer? Well, some may just decide to watch and wait, and hope that somehow it will go away. That's one way. The second method is to use tamoxifen and other medications that are used for cancer. All right. A third method for breast cancer will be mastectomy, the removal of the breast. Often, this solves no problem at all, particularly if the cancer had spread to other organs. The fourth method is the natural therapies. Natural therapies. Yes, natural therapies have been known to reverse cancer. They are being used widely right now in some areas in Africa. Natural therapies. Now, what are used for these natural therapies? Number one, garlic. Garlic. We use garlic. The patient uses garlic, raw garlic, eats raw garlic 2 or 3 times a day. One bulb of garlic can be consumed in one day. You divide it into 3 doses. Now you try to eat it, not on empty stomach because it can burn. All right? It can burn. So try not to eat it on empty stomach. Second thing that we use is turmeric. Turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder in water or juice 3 times a day. Turmeric powder. The third method is the hot and cold water treatment. Hot and cold water treatment. The lady presses hot and cold water on the area of the breast. Hot water for 3 minutes and cold water for 30 seconds. Hot water for 3 minutes and cold water for 30 seconds. You can add some ice water to the cold water to get it colder. Now, you do the hot water for 3 minutes, then you change to cold water for 30 seconds, then you go back again to hot water for another 3 minutes, and then again to cold water for 30 seconds, and you do this 3 rotations. That is hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. 3 rotations. And this treatment can be done for 3 times in the day. the hot and cold water. Now, after the first treatment of the hot and cold water, you should rub frankincense oil. Frankincense oil. Frankincense essential oil on the area of the breast. That is, if there is no sore or opening or wound on the breast. But after the second treatment or third treatment of the day with hot and cold water, you rub castor oil on the area of the breast. After the first treatment, you rub frankincense oil. After the second treatment, you rub castor oil. Now, you can add some turmeric powder on the castor oil that you rub on the breast. Next point is you drink the juice of 2 lemons in water in the mornings. The juice of 2 lemons in the water in the mornings. It should be before food. The juice of 2 lemons in water in the morning before food. The next thing you use also in the natural therapies is herbs. There are specific herbs that we use for cancer, particularly for breast cancer. I will go into the herbs, the herb formula for cancer in the next episode.